Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us on Weather Plus. I'm meteorologist Tony Martin. We're going to look at the longer-term weather over the next couple of days. Basically, as we open up the new week, we close out April and get into the month of May, we're looking at basically an unseasonably cold, nasty cold shot headed its way down into our part of the world. Now, the main player in the forecast is going to be low pressure. It will form across parts of the plains and then head its way up through the Great Lakes, and it will drag a very strong cold front across Pennsylvania. That looks to happen into Monday or Monday night. Now, we're going to start off with the second half of the weekend, Sunday morning, and we're watching that area of low pressure again out in the plains, gathering strength, and it is a rather strong low for the time of year. But check out all the cold air that's up into parts of Canada. The zero line at 3,000 feet in here, the minus 10 degrees Celsius line in here at 3,000 feet. So that's some pretty cold air for the time of year. Now, we are getting into the last couple of days of April, and this cold air will be tapped, it looks like, at least one more time this season. Now, by Monday morning, that area of low pressure begins to work its way up into parts of the Great Lakes. In behind it, that cold air comes plunging down into the nation. And we will even see some of that rain across parts of the lakes go over to a bit of wet snow as it comes to an end. We'll jump forward 24 hours. We'll get into Tuesday morning. That front is off to our east. Look at that cold air really plunging down into parts of the southeastern U.S. with the high pressure building in this area, and also that low off to our north and east. That will mean northwest winds coming in, and all that cold air will make its way right into Pennsylvania. Wouldn't even be surprised that some of the high ground areas on Tuesday even see a few flakes flying along the spine of the Appalachians from West Virginia through Maryland, Pennsylvania, and up in the parts of New York State. By Tuesday night, still some pretty cold air. The moisture, though, makes its way up in the parts of New England.